everybody, and welcome back to my kitchen. It seems like everybody, especially in my family, really enjoyed last week's episode of us making $1 Million cookies. So this week I figured we'd try and honor one of my college traditions and make some Rice Krispie treats. And my college roommates will tell you that I love Rice Krispie treats. They would make sure they would always grab me extras if they were in the cafeteria when I wasn't. But I'm actually going to put a different spin on it today. We are going to make some more crispy treats. So they're not Rice Krispies. We're going to do it with Cinnamon Toast Crunch and marshmallows and chocolate chips as well, because everything's better with some chocolate. So I have already started, and I have already melted 3 tablespoons worth of butter.
Mommy, am I doing good?
You're doing fantastic, Michael. And now we're going to add 4 cups of marshmallows, and we're going to melt those too. Do you want to pour it in for me, Michael?
Can I pour one in, Mama?
Yep, hang on. Good job, Michael. All the way in. Wonderful.
And make some for me.
Make some for you. Let's see, we've got our 4 cups right here. This will make 4 cups. Can you get it? Woo! Good job. And we're going to mix it until those melt now.
Why?
Why? Because that's how you make Rice Krispies. So while the butter was melting, I got out my baking pan, and I sprayed it with Pam so that these treats won't stick to them. And it'll just take a minute for these marshmallows to mix all together. What do you guys think?
That looks yummy.
Yummy?
What about my marshmallows over there?
What about them? Do you want a couple of marshmallows while we let them melt?
Yeah! Let's have some. They smell delicious.
They smell delicious, huh? So I know it says that you're supposed to use 6 cups worth of cereal in your crispy treats. But I never actually measure it out. What I end up doing is I just dump in the box that I've got open, and I
like my marshmallows on my head.
Marshmallows on your head? Good thing those aren't going into the box.
Why?
Why? Because that would be yucky. Okay, our marshmallow mixture is all melted. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take our cereal and just pour the box in. Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Wait, is that your favorite?
I do like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. What about you?
Oh, yeah. I've never tasted it before, so I don't know what it tastes like.
What's your favorite cereal, Michael? Honey Nut Cheerios.
Mine's the same, too.
Do you think that we could make Rice Krispie treats out of Honey Nut Cheerios?
I think so, too.
You think so? I have never tried that. I'd be curious to know if anybody else had.
I think it's the same, but you don't use that type of cereal.
No. Who knows? I wonder if any of our Facebook viewers have actually done it before. What do you think?
I don't know.
Okay. Well, if any of you have used Honey Nut Cheerios before in Rice Krispie treats instead of Rice Krispies, I want to know, and I want to know how they taste. So now we're going to add in the
chocolate chips!
And again, just something I eyeball. Hands out. This is how it goes in my house. Everybody has to have a taste of the ingredients.
Yummy!
Yummy. And then Mommy keeps mixing it all up.
Mama.
It's okay. There. How does that look, guys?
Good.
Good. Michael, you didn't even look, goofball.
Mama.
Helen, it's okay.
No, look it.
I know. And now we are ready. Helen, stop. We are ready to put it into our pan. Yep, don't get too close, Michael. It's hot.
I know. I'm staying with Helen.
Good job. Good taking precautions.
Why do you have to do that?
So that they can cool, and then we can cut them up and eat them. Not yuck. Yummy.
Yeah.
Oh, goodness.
I don't like them.
And we take it all off of our spoon. One thing that I've seen is actually to butter your spoon or use Pam on your spoon. I don't know. I've never done that before. I guess, to just make sure that my fingers get all ooey gooey. And that's how you make some s'more treats, Rice Krispie style. What do you guys think? Looks yummy?
Yeah, that looks yummy.
Super yummy. So we're going to let them cool, and then that will be our dessert for tonight. Can you guys say goodbye to all our friends?
Bye.